Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In part 2, we'll dive deeper into cleaning techniques and how to test your fuel injectors for any issues. Let's jump right in. Removing the fuel injectors. Accessing the injectors varies by car, but the general steps are similar. Remove the intake manifold or fuel rail cover if applicable using a socket set or screwdriver. Unplug the electrical connectors from each injector. Gently press the tab and pull, don't force it. Loosen the fuel rail bolts, then carefully lift the rail with injectors still attached. Some may pop out. Others need light twisting. Pull each injector from the rail by releasing the retaining clip. Keep track of small parts like O-rings. Label each injector with tape if you're cleaning them one at a time. Mixing up their order can cause issues later. Cleaning the injectors. You've got options here. Method 1. Ultrasonic cleaning. Ideal for heavy buildup. Submerge injectors in a cleaning solution and run the ultrasonic machine for 10 to 15 minutes. The high-frequency waves break up deposits inside and out. Method 2. Manual cleaning with a kit. Connect the injector to the cleaning kit's pressurized canister. Spray cleaner through the injector in short bursts until the mist pattern looks even. Wipe the exterior with a soft brush and cleaner-soaked rag. Avoid using harsh tools like wire brushes. They can damage delicate parts. Inspecting for damage. After cleaning, give each injector a close look. Check for cracks or leaks. Hold it up to a light and look for flaws in the plastic or metal. Test electrical resistance with a multimeter. Compare readings to your car's specs, usually 10 to 15 ohms. Inspect O-rings and seals for brittleness or tearing. Replace them if they're worn. If an injector fails these checks, it's time for a replacement. Cleaning won't fix physical damage. Reinstalling and testing the fuel injectors. Now that your fuel injectors are clean and inspected, it's time to get them back in place. Proper reinstallation and testing are key. Skip this and you might end up with leaks, poor performance, or worse. This part is straightforward if you take it step by step. Reinstalling the injectors. Putting the injectors back requires care to avoid leaks or damage. Here's how to do it right. Lubricate new O-rings and seals with a dab of engine oil or silicone grease. This helps them slide into place without tearing. Press each injector into the fuel rail until it clicks. The retaining clip should snap into position, no forced fits. Align the rail with the intake manifold and gently lower it. Wiggle the injectors slightly to seat them in their ports. Tighten the fuel rail bolts by hand first, then use a torque wrench to the manufacturer's specs. Over-tightening can crack the rail. Reconnect electrical connectors to each injector. Listen for the click to confirm a secure fit. A small leak here can cause big problems. Double-check every connection before moving on. Testing for proper functionality. You've cleaned and reinstalled the injectors. Now it's time to confirm they work as they should. Check for leaks first. Reconnect the battery and turn the key to on. Don't start the engine. This pressurizes the fuel system. Look for dripping fuel around the injectors, rail and connections. If you spot a leak, shut everything off and reseat the affected injector or replace its seals. Assess the spray pattern if possible. Some cleaning kits let you test spray patterns before full reassembly. A good injector sprays a fine, even mist, not a stream or uneven spatter. Listen and feel for smooth operation. Start the engine and let it idle. It might run rough at first as air clears from the system. Place a screwdriver against each injector and listen for a consistent clicking sound. No clicking means an electrical issue. Rev the engine slightly. Hesitation or misfires could mean a clog persists. If everything checks out, you've just given your engine a fresh start. Dirty injectors drag down performance, but now yours should deliver fuel like they're brand new. Preventive maintenance for fuel injectors. Keeping your fuel injectors clean is easier when you stay ahead of buildup. A little routine care saves you from clogs, rough performance, and expensive fixes later. 2 smart habits, regular cleaning and using quality fuel, can make all the difference. Regular cleaning schedule. Fuel injectors collect deposits over time. but how often they need cleaning depends on your driving habits and fuel quality. Here's a simple guideline. Every 5,500 miles or with oil changes. Use a fuel injector cleaner additive if you mostly drive short trips or in stop-and-go traffic. City driving leaves more carbon buildup. Every 15,000 miles. If you use low-quality gas or notice slight hesitation, run a stronger cleaning solution through the system. Every 30,000 miles or 2-3 years. Consider a professional deep cleaning if you haul heavy loads, drive a high-mileage vehicle, or use gasoline with ethanol. Consistency beats emergency cleanings. Mark your calendar or tie it to other maintenance like tire rotations so it's easy to remember, using high-quality fuel and additives. Not all gas is created equal. Premium fuel often contains detergents that help prevent carbon buildup, especially in direct injection engines. Here's how to make fuel work for you. Pick top-tier gas stations. Brands like Chevron, Shell and Costco meet stricter detergent standards. They keep injectors cleaner between services. Add a cleaner every few tanks. Look for products with PEA polyethylamine, which breaks down deposits without harsh chemicals. A $10 bottle every 3,000 miles is cheaper than injector replacement. Skip bargain gas if possible. Cheap fuel might save a few cents per gallon, but the extra deposits cost more in the long run. Think of fuel injectors like coffee makers. Clean water, good gas, and occasional descaling additives keep them flowing smoothly. Neglect leads to clogs and bitter results. A little upkeep today means fewer headaches tomorrow. Your engine will thank you with better mileage and smoother power. Clean fuel injectors keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Regular cleaning and inspection prevent clogs, improve mileage, and stop small issues from turning into costly repairs. Whether you use additives for maintenance or give injectors a deep clean, consistency is what pays off. Make it a habit. Your engine will reward you with better performance and a longer life. Ready to give your car the care it deserves? Start with the next tank of quality fuel and a dash of cleaner. Your ride will thank you. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.